What's up, guys? We are here at Consumer Auto Body here on South Kensico Avenue in White Plains, New York. As you guys remember, I got a pretty hard ding on my car. It seems like it's down to the metal and it's about a quarter-size dent in the car. So we're here at Consumer Auto Body to get that addressed. The motto here at Consumer Auto Body is "We Care," and you can clearly see that in the super friendly service. The team is totally down to earth and approachable. It's a very welcoming environment here, very clean, very nice, and I think you're going to see that in the quality of work that they provide. So the owner of Consumer Auto Body, Mike Fusco, has agreed to let me film. He's going to have the tech take us through the process of PDR, how they get the dent out, how they do the paint repair, and how they make it look nice and brand new.
Hey guys, Mike Fusco. I'm the owner here at Consumer Auto Body. We're a complete collision repair center. We've been here for 25 years. One of the services we offer is paintless dent repair. We have Rob here, and he's going to do some work on this Mustang Shelby.
Okay.
How's it going, guys? I'm going to take care of a little dent this guy got on the quarter panel of this beautiful Mustang.
All right, so Rob, you just want to explain what you're doing here real quick?
Yeah, sure. We're trying to gain a little bit of access to the dents.
Okay.
Usually dents on the quarter panels are a little tight and hard to gain access to.
Yep.
A little trick I've learned is we go under through the quarter, remove the liner. Sometimes we have to remove a wheel. In this situation, we don't.
Okay, great.
Unfortunately, there's no access port, so we're going to have to make a little hole, and the best area to make a hole in this spot would be under the liner. We plug it, put the liner back. It's never be noticeable by anybody.
Okay.
No rust, nothing will ever happen. So
okay.
It's kind of like natural OEM
gotcha.
access.
All right, great. It's pretty cool light there. It's got a suction cup on it and got some LEDs that lights it up. It's pretty neat.
The light might move, but you can catch the dent really good with the light.
Yeah, it really highlights it well. So it looks like you're just removing the panel, right?
Sorry?
That you're just removing the panel?
Yeah, I already removed the panel. I'm trying to gain access to the dent right now.
Gotcha. All right. I'm cringing at this right now.
It's completely safe. Don't worry about it.
So what's going on here?
What ends up happening is you get crowning whenever you get a nice sized dent. It swells up around the sides.
Yep.
So we need to get some of that swelling down.
Okay.
Also,
I mean, it already looks better.
Also, as I'm pushing, sometimes you make an improper push, or you push it a little bit out, too far out, so we got to get it back in and pretty much even the metal out.
Yep, got it.
So the best way to explain is we're massaging the metal and working the metal back to its original shape.
Gotcha. Looks phenomenal already. Is that down to the metal, or is that just the clear coat?
I believe it's just the clear coat. We're going to
okay.
find out in a few minutes. I'm going to wet sand it and polish it, and let's see where we stand.
Okay. So basically, you're kind of like, you made a hole back there.
Pretty much.
And you're putting some tools through and just kind of...
massaging the metal. Ideally, I am... show you exactly on this position. So there's a little hole.
Yep.
I'm sticking my tool through the little hole, and I'm doing small little movements like this of where I'm massaging the metal back out.
Awesome.
And if I make a push or push a little bit too much, that's where our tap comes into play.
Gotcha.
And we just get it back down.
Fine-tuning it, right? Yep.
Now I polish this about 2 times a day. This is stainless steel.
Yep.
I polish it so it doesn't get any debris, doesn't pick up any dust. If it was to pick up any dust or debris, it'd make a little mark.
Yep.
You can still get it off of the paint just by polishing it out.
Yeah.
You know?
It's amazing that metal doesn't actually go through the paint when you're hitting it with a hammer. It's pretty cool.
If it was chipped, dropped it, or dirty, it would scratch the paint.
Wow.
You got to keep it as polished and clean as possible.
Gotcha. Pro tip there, guys.
Also not recommended to do at home.
Yeah, do not do this at home. Do not try this at home.
Especially on a black car.
Yeah, exactly. Oh my God. So the hole that you made, is that going to increase any cabin noise or anything like that?
Nothing whatsoever.
Okay, no side effects.
What ends up happening is most cars, if we take the liner down, most cars already have access plugs, so
Okay.
water drainage plugs.
Yep.
I'm trying to see where there's one in here, but most cars come with them. So ideally what we're gonna do is we're gonna plug that hole
Yep.
with, I got little plugs
Okay.
that we plug the hole. Now it's very rare that we make holes to
Yeah.
to fix a dent, but unfortunately in quarter panels,
Yeah.
there's no access, so you have to drill a hole.
Gotcha.
in the quarter panels.
Okay.
Now the good news is most dent guys will open your door and drill a hole right through your quarter panel in your
Yeah.
door, but
Yep.
we take the extra step and
Yep.
go through the wheel well, so at least it's not noticeable.
Yeah, definitely. Cool. I'm gonna see if I can grab a shot of like what's going on in there.
Right, let me see. Usually most cars have them. This one actually doesn't. I was going to show you the existing.
I'm gonna turn my light on.
Yeah, no, I have a light, but most cars have existing holes.
Yep.
So I was going to try and show it to you, but unfortunately I can't find one on this one. It's, wow, these new models is really rare.
What do the holes do normally?
They're just access and drainage plugs.
Okay.
You know.
Yep.
But here, if you want to see, this tiny
I
hole.
think we can sneak this in
Yep.
there. Oh wow.
Just a tiny little hole
And
there.
I'm gonna put my hand up there just to show like the difference between my finger. Cool. All right.
And then we'll show you after I plug it.
Yep. And now you're sanding it, right?
Yeah, a little wet sand 2000.
Yep.
See if that scratch went through the paint or if it's just a little nick in the clear.
Looks like a touch of it might have went through, right?
Yep. My nail's getting caught up on it just a little bit.
Yeah. At least it's not the whole line though that I thought it was. What grit sandpaper is that?
This is 2000.
2000, gotcha. So that little chip that is there, are you gonna be able to touch that up?
If you'd like, yeah, we can get a little black and we can touch it up.
I've got the factory paint stick if that helps.
Yeah, of course, that's perfect.
Okay. So what do we got going on here?
Just polishing it. It's a
Yep.
little polishing kit that you can buy
Okay.
for doing little small touch-up polishes. It's
Yep.
a little polishing kit for a drill.
Yep.
Plug it into the drill like I'm in McGuire's 101
Yep.
compound and polishing out that 2000 wet sand.
Okay.
See where we stand with that scratch. I think we might have actually been able to get all of it
Yeah,
out.
it looks like it's, can't see it.
That saved a big dollar repair.
Yeah. Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
Yeah, this saved you pretty
And
much painting this whole
Painting
quarter.
your whole quarter.
Because if you had to paint, like, show me what you would have to paint to repaint that, to repair it.
We would sand this whole panel
Yep.
all the way up around to the front.
So basically from here.
That would get clear coated. The color would only get blended to where the scratch was.
Yep.
The bumper would be removed. The lamp would be removed.
Oh my God.
All this would be masked off.
Wow.
And the glass on a car like this
Yep.
would come out.
The glass, like this glass here?
Yes.
Wow.
We're not going to tape up around your rubbers here.
Yep. Oh yeah. It'd be
So
better
you don't
quality
wanna
job.
Do that
Yep.
if you don't have to do it.
Yep, exactly. Wow.
A lot of work.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So I don't know where it went or when it'll be back. But knowing Roy is back.
Yeah. Okay, so we got a tiny spot now. Oh, right here, right?
Yeah, I don't know.
Yep.
Can you catch it on the camera? It might be a little too minor. You might have to come on this way and see if you catch it on the angle.
Right there.
Yeah, it's tiny little spot
Yeah,
left.
you can see it in person, definitely.
You see it in the video as well.
Yeah. Some fine tuning that only a professional can do, guys. Now we're plugging it. Basically, what is that? entail? Just putting in like a rubber seal, or
Yeah, it's a rubber seal, so we don't get any water or anything in there that we don't want. Any
okay,
debris.
like any adhesives or anything, or you just plug that in and it fits in?
No, these just fit perfectly in.
Okay.
It's a nice little airtight seal.
Yeah. All right, so basically I can't even see it. Do you guys see anything? Can you guys see it?
You'll never know it was there.
Yeah. It's not that's not it. That's just a piece of
No,
dust.
it was
I don't
down-
see it at all.
was down lower.
Yeah.
It was in this area.
Yeah,
right here.
yeah.
If you look carefully, there's still a tiny little mark where
Yep.
the actual door or whatever
It just
was,
looks
they
like
hit it.
regular paint impurity or imperfection or whatever.
Exactly. It looks
Yeah.
more like a fisheye from like a paint.
Yep.
There's
Or like a piece of dust in the paintwork or something like that.
So how much did this save? You were saying something about 4 days of labor?
Yeah, it's about 4 days of labor. It's for the body shop. You
Yep.
know, like Mike was saying, the window would have to come out.
Yep.
You'd have to remove these moldings.
Yep.
rock the molding off.
Yep.
You don't take this stuff up. It all comes off.
Yep. And what would that cost? Like all that labor and paint and all that?
That would be about a $1,600 job.
$1,600. And actually, that's not even that bad actually for that much work. But yeah, this is obviously much easier.
You have your original paint still on the
Yep.
car.
Yeah.
No.
Thank God it wasn't down to the metal. It really looked like it was.
Yep.
We just polished it right out. So that white was just, it was down through like the clear coat, basically?
It was basically the
could have been
paint from
paint
the car,
transfer,
right?
yeah.
From
Okay.
the door that hit it.
Okay.
Silver, white, whatever
Yeah.
the color might have been. It was
Yeah.
probably paint transfer.
Yeah,
It was a nice
okay.
shot. Whatever hit it was definitely a
Yeah,
good shot.
yeah. All right. Yeah, all right. So we'll take a peek at what the plug looks like in there. And then, so on top of the plug, we're putting this liner back on top of it anyway, right? So it's like completely protected.
Yeah, the liner, that's OEM.
Where's the, oh, there it is right there, yep. Yep, looks good, looks good. Looks like it's part of the OEM car. Yep, let me put the liner back in.
We got the liner.
Yep.
Put
Yep.
it back to normal.
So guys, we didn't even need to use my factory paint stick. Luckily, it didn't do the damage down to the metal like I thought. It was apparently just some paint transfer, so.
Put that in the glove box, and hopefully
Yep.
you don't need it. Hopefully it dries up and goes bad.
Yeah, seriously. Yeah. Thank God. I mean, that looks brand new. Look at that. I'm a believer.
Thank you.
All right, guys, so as you can see, the den repair was super high quality, awesome service, done a lot quicker than I even imagined for such a quality job. You can't even see it. So come on down here to Consumer Auto Body on South Kensico Ave here in White Plains, New York. If you need any den repair or body work, collision, I'll list it all in the details below. Yeah, awesome.
I mean, we're
job.
basically a collision shop. We offer the P.D.R. and
Yeah,
but collision is our paint job.
yeah, yeah.
You got your lesson today on paintless deck repair.
Yeah.
And again, we're here to service 25 years, and we're looking forward to seeing you guys.
All right, should they ask for Mike Fusco?
So, yeah.
Awesome. All right, brother, thank you.
Thank you. Good job.
All right. Nice GTI.
Repair, paint job we did.
Okay. What
Total stripped down, glass, everything out of it.
looks gorgeous. Looks brand new.
Every panel, every glass, every piece was off.
Wow. This is the man responsible, Marco.
Marco's one of our techs here. He put a lot of time into this car.
Awesome.
Body work, a lot of hard hours.
So we got an engine swap here. What's he got again for the engine?
Got a 1.8 Corrado engine.
Wow. Look at that. Looks like custom headers, exhaust, everything, right?
Heads.
Do you guys know like what the horsepower is?
No, yeah, we don't dial it yet.
Okay. Golf GTI. What year is this? Do you know?
84
84.
GTI.
Wow. Oh my God. That's awesome. What can you, I don't really know much about this engine. What can you tell us about it?
It's a 1.8 with the Weber system, fuel
Yep.
injection,
Yep.
and Corrado head. It's about 300 horsepower.
Oh, 300 horsepower in this little car. That's amazing. It's totally stripped. Now, does he normally keep it stripped like this for weight savings, or is it just temporary?
No, he'll do an interior,
Gotcha.
and it'll be a driver.
Wow. Is that Recaro seats?
Yeah.
Wow. Are those from 84?
No, he put these in.
That's cool.
He's got 4 or 5 Volkswagens that he's.
Oh, does he? Volkswagen guy.
Saying we're a complete collision repair facility. We don't just, it's just a service we offer.
Yep.
We have 2 frame machines, welders, laser measuring systems. We have Odalis here. He's one of our main techs. Odalis, say hello to the camera.
How you doing?
Hello.
How you doing? Nice cheap.
All state-of-the-art equipment, our spray booth. We have our own mixing room. We mix all our own paint.
Oh, cool. Yep.
Finished. This is the finished job. These are all lined up to be worked on.
Oh, wow.
We have a lot in the back.
It's like they say at a restaurant, if it's not crowded, then it's probably not that good.
That's right.
Oh, look at all these cars waiting for work. There's a reason for that, guys. They offer super high quality work.
All newer model cars. We do work for the Jeep dealer.
And not just like foreign or American, but everything, right?
Car's a car.
Yep.
Car's
Yep.
a car. We treat them all the same.
Yep.
We've got some, with all the damage, we got some cars that the trees fell on.
Oh, God.
Change the roof over there.
Oh, my God.
So we stay busy, and we stay busy because we're well known here in the town.
Yep. All right. So what are these here? Car liner?
Yeah, we have a car liner and a chief frame machines.
What are those?
These are the posts for pulling the metal.
Okay. What does that mean? Like, what does a car liner do?
It's a measuring frame machine. It brings your car back to factory specs.
Okay. How does that work?
We have computer. We put the vehicle in the computer. It gives us all the specs.
Yep.
And we pull it right back to the specs.
Okay, so here is a 2018 Honda Civic Si, really nice car, but unfortunately someone stole the wheels. So I was just asking like what these guys are gonna do and how they got it here. Let's start with that. How'd you guys even get this here?
Brian, the car was flatbedded, but it wasn't just dragged up. It was put on blocks and dragged up onto the flatbed, and the same thing getting it off.
You were saying like they put it on wood and dragged the wood up?
Right. They dragged the car on the wood so that nothing is scraping. However, when they stole the wheels, they just dropped it down on the rotors. They damaged the rocker panels.
Yep.
They're not careful in stealing wheels.
Yeah, right.
That's the reason. It's the SI model. I'm sure that's why they stole the wheels.
Yep. Yep.
They'll probably be riding around on somebody's Civic. Somewhere.
Already. Yep.
Or they're sold.
Yeah,
but they do damage to the car. They look at the wheels and tires. We won't drag it anywhere else. We'll get the wheels and tires and bring it inside and fix all the repairs.
Make it all new, right?
Right.
Yep.
Again, they rip things off. The backing plates are all squashed.
Yep. Yep.
So they do more damage than they do just stealing the wheels.
Yep. All right. Hopefully it looks brand new. Super nice, clean, and welcoming environment. I just drove by and just saw it. It looks like a nice, quality, approachable place, very welcoming. And that's how they get a lot of their business here, word of mouth, and people just driving by and seeing, the nice touches, even flowers, for example, making it approachable for everybody. So guys, come down to Consumer Auto Body here in White Plains, New York for your auto body needs.